Hello everyone, this is Anuj Kumar, and on this auspicious moment where I have put my consciousness to a very simple topic that we are going to talk about, and the topic is smile. The name of the topic is smile. The word seems to be very small, very basic, but this word is magical. And when it comes to action, it have it has astonishing results. See, every day, every moment, we are fed up of fuss up of thoughts, of ideas, of problems. We are engaged. We are always engaged in in the activities that we are associated with. If you are a student, then every moment you have the thoughts of study, friends, personal relationship, and everything. And every time when we think about these aspect, we we focus on negativity. We focus on the negative aspect or the flip sides of the aspect. Why this happens? Because we all have born, have grown up, hearing this kind of hearing or uh, yeah, hearing would be the right word. Hearing negative comments on the life. People say it a struggle. It is a it is a present. Life is is the prasad of that supreme soul. Life is invaluable. Life is auspicious. Life is a gift. It is not a struggle. It is a gift that is combined, that is uh, associated with different kinds of feelings that we confer with, that we deal with, exploration, everything. This is the mixture. Everything we want exists in the world. If we want, if we focus on the negative aspect would surround us. Negativity would surround us. Every time we feel bad about something, we are surrounded. We are instantly surrounded with those type of negative feelings and their consequences. See, what I have discovered that whatever it's not about what is your condition. You attract feelings, you attract positivity or negativity, and you have that much potential to attract it. Universe gives you what you want or what you think about or what you are involved with most of the time. What you do in major part of most part of your time constitute the aura. It gives signals to the universe that what you want. See, what you want is what you want come out from your thinking. What are you thinking? Is your subconscious mind or the universe get it in that way that this is what you want. If you always if you are always thinking negative, then the universe will push negativity towards you more and more. If you think that you are positive, smiling, and you are good at something, you are not jealous of anyone who is better than you. Of course it is this is the fact. Where you stand, why you are comparing yourself? You have that utmost potential. You can go, you can reach wherever you want. Why? For that you don't need to be the best, because you can never be the best in this world for everlasting period. For some time, okay, you can be the best, but being the best is not what is needed. Because if you would see yourself that you are the best, then you would be closing the doors of increasing or making yourself much more better. Yeah, I always say better is always better than best. Because when you consider yourself best, you just put close all the doors of your growth, of your development. That is why I say never focus on others. Don't There's no need to show envy, to feel envy about anyone. Everyone is good, everyone is best in his or her own ways. People may people may not like you. It's okay. Nobody is bound to like you, or you are not bound, or you are not supposed to be loved by everyone. You need to focus on yourself. You need to love yourself. You must love yourself. That is the reality. You must love others. These type of feelings what makes life the life. Why you're wasting time in envy, in negative feelings, in kind of competition? Grow yourself, develop yourself. What do you want? Focus on the goal, achieve it. Okay, visualize the day when you would be achieving that. But uh, at the same time, I would say the journey is much more interesting than that of that particular day of victory. Because the victory, the day of the victory would mean that you are no longer uh, kind of, there is no road forward. So don't limit yourself. It is a victory. It's not a victory. It's a station. It's a station. You would stay for some time, and then again the journey begin. Do you ever realized? Did you ever realize what our body, our universe, nature want to tell us? That life is a journey. Life is a journey, everlasting journey. The destiny is the death. So when you limit yourself with the goal, okay, it's about goals, it's about ambitions. You complete one level one, then there is a level second, level third, everlasting levels. Your life would be short if you consider, if you would run after the levels. And so that is why, that's what I want to say. Don't be attached to the destiny, because destiny is nothing but just a name. What is more important is the journey. Throughout this journey of life, throughout the journey of your goal, your small goals, goals are important, but goals are not the only one which are important, right? You have to make, you have to, you know, understand the difference. This is life. The complexity is, there exist what you want, what do you think, or what do you perceive. If you think that life is simple, of course it is simple. If you think that it is full of complexities, it is full of complexity. What life is, what you make it. So, first of all, be precise, be brief, be clear. At most, kind of clarity must be there in your perspective of life, of everything. Make it simple. No, nobody is paying attention towards you. Nobody. It doesn't mean nobody like you. It means that they like their work. They are much more engaged in their own work. They are trying to teach you something. They are saying that love your work, do your best, grow yourself. Whenever you meet people or whenever you encounter people, greet them or kind of meet them with a smile, with positive vibes. Let the another person be feel happy that he is with you. Let yourself be feel happy that you are with another good human beings. Everybody is good. A smile can make a lot of difference, kind of a great difference in your attitude, in your confidence, in your life. When you smile, you change the purpose. You change the you replace the negativity with the positive vibes. You feel good. See, beauty is not in the face. Beauty is not in the body. It is in the mind. It is in the soul. It is in the views, in the ideas. If you know a good person with a positive mind, you would not consider her or his body, her face, his face looks more than that of the attitude of that particular guy or girl. What is important is your personality. What constitutes the personality? Behavior, thoughts, okay, your perspective. Be peace, feel peace. Life, you should not hasten. You must live. You are there in this world to live. Live with smiles. Create a smile. Create as many as. When you talk to people, let them make happy. Let them feel good. Let them feel light with you. Because that is the thing. Compliment people. Spread love. That is the funda of life, bro. Why you just associate life with complexity, struggle, and this and that, goals, yeah, achievement, race? No. There is peace in life. In every aspect of life, there is peace. You just name them and you just perceive negativity. Struggle? What is struggle? Growing yourself. It is a process which polish yourself, which grinds you, which makes you shine, right? It is very beautiful process of growth. When a tree, when a samplings of plant grow and it grows, would you call it struggle? No. That's similar is the case with you. When you want to grow yourself, you have to take care of yourself. You have to love the things that will grow you, that will help you to grow. This is not struggle. It is a process. It is a very beautiful process. There is peace, and it is a slow process. It is a gradual one, because that gradualness will lead to the preciseness with the strengthness, the kind of the power, the real power, the authenticity. To build authenticity needs time. So be precise, be happy. If you feel low, just it has also its own importance. Feeling low means just sitting somewhere and just close your eyes, feel what you are feeling. Just that. तो यही बात है कि लाइफ तो हज़ार चीज़ों से बनी है, मतलब लाइफ में तो हज़ारों एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, करोड़ों करोड़ों एस्पेक्ट हैं। हमें अपनी लाइफ जिस तरह से जीनी है वो हम डिसाइड करते हैं। इस लाइफ में, इस ज़िंदगी में, इस दुनिया में सब कुछ है। हमें क्या चाहिए? पॉजिटिविटी। पॉजिटिविटी दे देगा हमें यूनिवर्स। हमें क्या चाहिए? खुश करना है लोगों को, खुश कर देंगे। बिहेवियर अपना, भाई आपका बिहेवियर दूसरे को खुश भी कर सकता है, दुखी भी कर सकता है। और दूसरे को अगर आपको खुश कर रहा है बिहेवियर, तो वो आपको भी खुश करेगा। आज मैंने अपनी लाइफ में एक और बात सीखी है कि एक स्माइल से सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है। दूसरे व्यक्ति हमसे खुश हो जाते हैं, दूसरे व्यक्ति को हम इम्पोर्टेंट लगाने लगते हैं। हो सकता है कि कोई मुझे इग्नोर कर दे, लेकिन उसमें भी एक स्माइल करके मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि बिजी होगा शायद। किसको दिखाना है कि हम बहुत बड़े डूड हैं, कि कूल हैं, आपसे बेटर हैं? क्यों दिखाना है? आपको नहीं पता है क्या? और आपको क्यों हमेशा जेस्ट बनना है? आप अपने आप को ग्राइंड करो, जो आपको चाहिए उसको उसको प्राप्त करो। लेकिन दूसरों से ऐसा नहीं है तो भाई दूसरों को ना मिले, क्यों ना मिले भैया? आपको उससे उस पर ध्यान ही नहीं देना भैया। आप अपनी चीज़ को पाने में करना तो आप अपने पूरी शिद्दत से करो। मिलेगी तो मिलेगी, नहीं मिलेगी तो भी खुश। शिद्दत। आप ना जो आपके पार्ट पे कर सकते हो वो करो, और इतना अच्छे से करो कि आप लाइफ को ना वेस्ट ना करो, जियो। लाइफ को जियो, स्माइल करो, स्माइल स्प्रेड करो, खुशियाँ फैलाओ। यू हैव दैट पोटेंशियल। इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अ स्माइल।